If you use WordPress, you might have noticed that emails sent from your website end up in spam or not delivered at all. This is a very common issue with WordPress, but don't worry because today we're going to fix it. So we're going to fix this problem and we're going to do it in 3 easy steps. In step 1, we're going to install a free SMTP mail plugin. In step 2, we'll create a free business email from your server to route emails properly. And in step 3, we'll test sending an email. So that's really it. It's going to be easy, so let's jump into it. Okay, so here we are on the WordPress dashboard. So first thing we're going to do is go to plugins, and we're going to add the SMTP plugin. So let's go to add plugin here, and then search for SMTP. And you'll see this one right here, WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. This is the one we're going to use, so click install now, and then click activate. It has a little setup wizard. We're not going to do this right now, so just click go back to dashboard. Now that we have the plugin installed, we're going to need to create an email address, an inbox that can send the emails. And we're going to do that from our hosting provider. Currently, I recommend Hostinger for your web hosting, especially for WordPress. It's one of the best hosting platforms out there, and their plans are very inexpensive and have a lot of great features like free backups, and they also include free mailboxes with their plans. So for this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the email account inside of Hostinger, but other hosting providers will be very similar. Now, if you need a hosting plan or if you're thinking about switching to a new hosting provider, I highly recommend Hostinger. They're one of the best platforms out there for web hosting, especially for WordPress websites, and they include free email inboxes with all of their plans, as you can see here. So even if you take the cheapest plan, you're going to get 2 mailboxes per website, free for a year. This is a really great value. And so if you wanted to go with Hostinger, you would just choose whatever plan you want. And on this page, you can choose your plan length. And right here, this link that says have a coupon code, if you go ahead and enter Eric10 and click apply, you will get the biggest discount available, which will bring down the price even more. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click continue. And here you can register your Hostinger account and go through the checkout process. After you do that, I'll meet you on the Hostinger dashboard. Once you're on the Hostinger dashboard, you'll see something like this. It'll say claim your free email, and you can click claim, or you can come on the left side to where it says emails, and then come down here where it says claim your free email, and then start free. We'll select our domain. We're doing this on ericstutorial.com, and this is going to be $0. And then we'll click start free trial. Okay, and then I'm brought to this screen, and right here it shows me how many mailboxes I've used on my plan. I've used 0 of 5 mailboxes. So I'll click on this right here, and then it says create your first mailbox, and I'll click create mailbox. And I'll make the email address hello@ericstutorial.com, and the password I'll enter here, and then click create. Okay, mailbox created successfully. Let's open it. And this is where we can go to send and read our emails with this email address. Okay, now let's go back to the Hostinger dashboard. Okay, once we're back on the mailboxes page, I want you to look to the left side where it says connect apps and devices. Let's click on that. This is where it's going to show us all the information we need to connect our email inbox to our WordPress SMTP plugin. So now that we have this, let's go back to our website. Now we're in the settings for the WP Mail SMTP plugin. Let's scroll down. And in the from email box, you're going to put in the email that you created in Hostinger. You can change the from name. I'll put Eric David. And then let's scroll down. In this box, you want to choose other SMTP. And this is where we're going to enter our information. So let's go back to your hosting provider. And you're going to want to grab this outgoing server, copy that, go back to your WordPress website, and paste it here. Then choose SSL, and in the port box, you want to enter 465, or put whatever's listed in your email provider's info. So let's scroll down a little bit, and now we're going to enter the credentials for our email address. Okay, once you do that, let's click Save Settings. Now let's test it to make sure everything's working correctly. Let's go over to Tools, and then let's send a test email. I'm going to send it to my personal email address. You can enter whatever email address you want here. This is just going to be a test recipient to see if this is all working. Once you enter an email address, click Send Email. Okay, it says Success, test email was sent successfully. Please check your inbox to make sure it was delivered. And as you can see right here, it says, congrats, test email was sent successfully. So it looks like everything is working. Now you have everything you need to reliably send emails from your WordPress website. I hope that helps you out. Please let me know if you have any questions down below. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.